Good morning, guys. Today we've got here Motorola RAZR from 2025, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, open the settings, then find and select System, go to Keyboard and mark on-screen keyboard. Here select Gboard and go to Languages. And right here you can change your keyboard language. So at first let's open the current one. So here you've got it. And now let's add new one, for example Chinese. Pick the keyboard that you want to use. Can be this one. Tap on Done to save it. Here you can remove some language if you want to, but let me stay with 2 so you can see how to switch between them. So as you can see now, you've got this word icon here, and smoothly by tapping you can switch between languages. If you have one language only, this icon disappears and you've got access to this language only. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.